In our listening module, these are the skills you're going to learn. The skills on how to listen for specific information. Skills to listen, main ideas, supporting information, understanding speaker's opinion. These are the target skills of IELTS.
Of IELTS?
Yeah, these are the skills of listening that are targeted in IELTS listening test. Alright. In other words, I will explain to you all the skills of listening, the skills, and I'll give you types of questions with the corresponding technique. In listening, there is a corresponding technique for every question. In other words, every question has its own technique to follow in order to achieve the skills of listening. Then after that, you have practice tests and listening final exam. Right? This is our speaking module, which I'll explain later.
Okay.
Now let's go to the listening test for IELTS. The listening test is the first part of the IELTS examination. The listening test takes about 40 minutes. That is 30 minutes to answer the questions and 10 minutes to transfer your answers to your answer sheet. So in the test, in the actual test, when you take the listening, you are to write all your answers on the listening test booklet as you listen. After the test, you are given 10 minutes to transfer your answers to your answer sheet. When you transfer your answers to your answer sheet, be careful of your spelling, because wrong spelling is wrong, even one letter. Yes, they are very strict on the spelling here.
In the exam itself, they will give you a short answer to complete?
Yes, I'll give you an example. I will expose you to all types of questions.
Okay, inshallah.
All right. And also, when you are transferring your answers to your answer sheet, be careful that when you are transferring number 3, for example, it should be on the number 3 box in the answer sheet. Okay? It happens that your answers do not tally with the number. So be careful. Alright?
Okay.
Alright. The test consists of 4 sections. And these sections are recorded, and each section covers different types of language and context. There are usually 10 questions in every section. So a total of 40 questions.
40 questions.
In 4 sections.
Yeah.
40,
yeah.
You are given time to read the questions, and you are given time to write your answer. So don't panic.
Before I am starting, they will give me time to read.
Yes. Around 13 seconds for every set of questions. You will hear the recording once only. That's why listening is a little bit difficult, because you hear the recording once only, and you are to depend only on what you hear. So a little bit difficult. But with your practice here, you will gain that confidence and skills.
Inshallah.
So it is very important to understand exactly what you are being asked to do in every question. In other words, in listening, the most important thing is reading the question correctly and understanding what is asked in the question. By doing so, you'll be able to predict or guess or anticipate the kind of information you're going to listen out for. So when you read, when you are reading the question, read the question properly and understand what is asked in the question, so that you will know what kind of information you are going to listen out for. Alright? There are different types of questions. For example, questions like completing a form, completing a chart, completing a diagram, questions that is selecting pictures which represent what you hear. There are also note-taking questions and multiple choice. Alright? So I will give you the technique on how to answer each of these questions.
Alright.
Now the listening test has this format. Section 1, 2, 3, and 4.
4 sections.
There are 4 sections. Section 1 is the easiest section. Try to perfect this test. It is all about specific information or details like names, places, time, number. Okay?
Okay.
Don't write, I will be writing.
Okay.
Section 1 is always a conversation between two speakers. Meaning there are always two speakers in section 1. And a conversation is very easy. It is about social topic. Now, I'll give you now the technique. Listen very well.
Okay.
There are two speakers. Speaker 1 leads you to the questions using the keywords of the question. The keywords of the question or keywords are the most important word in the question that will help you to direct your attention what kind of information to listen. So you have to identify the keyword in the question. This keyword will be given to you by the first speaker. Then the second speaker comes in. He gives you statements to answer the question. Alright? So the technique now is when you are listening to the second speaker, don't write. Yes. Listen very well to the full context or statements of the second speaker. Yeah, and understand her statements. Okay. In other words, make sense of what you hear. And then when she finishes her statement, you write the answer. But when the questions are about names and numbers, you have to write immediately. Because the speaker spells the name and give the number. Alright? Okay. But for other questions, you have to wait until she finishes her statement. Sometimes she gives 2 statements, sometimes 3 sentences about the topic, in the question. So do not write. Because sometimes the second speaker will give you, will distract you. He will give you first an answer which is not correct. Then he will change. Then finally he'll give the answer. So if you will not listen to the full text of the second speaker, you will miss some information. So you will be writing wrong answer. And you will be busy erasing the answer, which will disturb you. So listen and understand and answer. Alright? That is section 1. In section 2, it's moderately difficult. It is not easy, it is not difficult. It is also about specific information. It is always a talk, meaning one speaker, single speaker. It can be, the talk can be an announcement, a pronouncement, an extract, an abstract. Sometimes it is news item, right? Or a news story. All right. There is only one speaker, all right, single speaker. So here what you need to do is, the technique for this section 2, you are to follow the statements of the speaker using the keywords of the question. All right. So very importantly here, very important,
you will give me how to
the keyword in the question. I will help you with it. And then when you have the answer, write the answer. Do not wait. You write immediately. When you have the answer, write. Okay?
Okay.